Okay, this is the last example out of this first lesson. It gives us, zoom in here, it gives us some data, 2, 3, 313, 429, and we're going to see if we can find a quadratic function that would fit this data. This data, we're thinking maybe it forms a parabola. That's what we're wondering. A parabola. And as you guys saw in Desmos, it might be over here on this side of it. The trick is we are going to substitute the values of x and y into this form. The y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, which we said was standard form. And what you get, we put all the y's over here. Y equals a times x squared, so 2 squared will go there, times b times x, so 2 will go there, plus c, nothing there. And do the same thing with the 3 on this one, put it for x squared, then put it for x, and nothing goes on that one. And same thing with the 4 here, it will be an x squared, then an x, and then nothing on this one. So when we square those first numbers, we would actually have a 4 there, a 9 there, and a 16 there. Still would have a 2, a 3, and a 4 beside the b's. And there, what is understood beside the c's? 1. Very good. You got to know that here in a second. So take that, and we would set this up. What does this right here look like? We had these last chapter. Yep. Looks like standard form. And we can put it in a matrix because what is this? When you have more than one equation, it's a, we will use RRF because this is a system. With 3 unknowns, we would need 3 equations, wouldn't we? 3 unknowns, 3 equations. We can take this, so turn your calculator on, and let's make a matrix and do RREF out of this. I did that a lot this morning with different problems. The first one, they said, they already did it. They solved this system. Here it just says use one of the methods of chapter 3. Well, we're using that method, RREF. And when you do, you get 3, negative 5, 1. If you got it, good job. You must have known, hey, we're going to put 4, 2, 1, 3, 9. Oh, and by the way, when you use this RREF, you can see I've done it for other problems in this lesson already. There's always ones right here where the C is at. So that part won't change. There's always a 1 there. And yes, we on this one right here, we get 3, negative 5, 1 as the A, the B, and the C, which means this would be our answer. The quadratic function would be y equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. So, nope, we don't use those any. Up here, we just use those to build the system right here to find the A, B, and the C. Once we know the A, B, and C, we're writing it as standard form. We took the A, B, and C, and we took them out of that and put it like that. On your homework, I'll go ahead and show you. You can try these. Number 2, it does the same thing. You just list them out as coordinates. You get 1, 2, 3 points. 4, we have the x's listed on top. What is this listed on bottom? The y. F of x also means y, doesn't it? And 6 is the same thing. So try those 3 using this method of creating a system and using RREF. Now this morning I had someone build a matrix, put the numbers in, and it didn't do anything because they forgot to put RREF in front of it. RREF of the matrix is how you can find those unknowns. Okay, I'm going to stop the video, let y'all work on your homework, and then we'll check answers.